The health benefits of drinking baking soda with your coffee daily and a simple recipe to use at home. 1. Most people love to wake up in the morning and drink a cup of coffee to start their day. This gives us an energy boost and helps us to become focused. However, a large percentage of people nowadays suffer with a sharp, painful feeling in the chest area. This is caused by acid reflux, otherwise known as heartburn. 2. Coffee is a very acidic drink and only makes this problem worse, especially if we drink it every day. 3. The good news is that you don't have to give up coffee to treat this. By simply adding a little baking soda to your morning drink, you can get rid of the painful acid. 4. Baking soda is a white powder which we often use in cooking and baking. This has been used as a natural medicine for thousands of years and works to neutralise acid in the body. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 1 cup of coffee with or without milk, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Method: make your morning coffee and add the baking soda and stir well. The baking soda raises the pH level of the drink. This makes it easier to digest and can also boost your health. 5. You can choose to double the amount of baking soda if you suffer with a lot of acid. It is very important that you use baking soda and not baking powder because these are different. 6. Baking soda is sometimes labelled sodium bicarbonate in stores. It is very cheap and is often used to treat chronic problems with the body caused by inflammation. 7. Those who suffer with kidney problems may find this to be useful, as it has been shown to detoxify the kidneys and help them to heal from damage. 8. Baking soda destroys fungi and parasites which may be causing problems for your digestive system. It has been used as a traditional medicine to treat bloating, gas and stomach problems for centuries. 9. This remedy is also helpful in reducing the amounts of uric acid in the body, therefore treating gout, muscle and joint pain. 10. If you're not a coffee drinker, you can add this to a simple glass of water in the morning to boost your health. Others prefer to take this with apple cider vinegar. Please see our other videos to learn more about these remedies. 11. Baking soda is often used to treat painful urinary tract infections whilst protecting the kidneys. It reduces inflammation and destroys the bacteria in the urinary system due to its alkalinity. 12. There are more and more accounts of people using baking soda to cure and help manage the symptoms of cancer. Many argue that this has slowed the rate of tumour growth and can be used alongside medical cancer treatments. Natural health doctors have long been using this to lower the risk of prostate cancer in men. 13. Coffee itself has been shown to reduce the risk of liver disease and certain types of cancers. Studies have shown it to be a powerful fat-burning supplement as the caffeine helps to boost the metabolism. 14. A cup of simple coffee also contains vitamin B2, B3, B5, manganese and potassium, which are all helpful in boosting your health. 15. Many people who suffer with depression have used coffee to fight the mental blues. A Harvard study showed that those who drank 4 cups of coffee per day were less likely to become depressed. 16. Skin allergies are often triggered by acidity in the body. Taking baking soda on a daily basis balances pH levels and makes you less likely to suffer with hay fever, hives and many more. 17. Perhaps one of baking soda's most common uses is to fight cold and flu infections. It fights a cough, congestion and sinus infections. It effectively destroys mucus and phlegm, helping to heal the airways. 18. Baking soda can also be used as a kitchen scrub, pots and pans cleaner, carpet and furniture cleaner, natural deodorant, closet freshener and many more. 19. To learn more about the benefits of natural remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.